Welcome to the Invisible Stage Daily, your daily dose of inspiration to help you grow, lead, and show up with confidence. My name is Sabine Kvenberg, and today we talk about the power of self-dialogue. The invisible stage of your life isn't just about what you do, it's about what you say to yourself. All day long, we are engaged in an internal conversation. Sometimes it's a cheerleader encouraging us to take that step forward. And other times, it's a critic reminding us of every mistake we've made. I've been there. But here's the thing. Your brain believes what you tell it most often. If you repeatedly tell yourself, "Oh, I'm not good enough," your mind starts to looking for evidence to prove that right. But if you tell yourself, "I'm capable of figuring this out," your brain begins to search for solution. Think about world-class athletes like Serena Williams. She didn't just win championships because of her physical skill. She trained her inner voice to focus on what she can control, to stay calm under pressure, and to believe in her preparation. Michael Phelps, the Olympic swimmer, he visualized his race in detail, not just the physical strokes, but how he'd respond to challenges mid-race, like goggles filling up with water, creating an inner script that helped him win even when things didn't go as planned. Your self-dialogue shapes your emotional state, which shapes your actions, which ultimately shapes your results. This is why managing your inner conversation is one of the most important invisible stages you'll ever step on. So, here is your challenge for today. Number 1, listen in. Pay attention to the tone of your self-talk. Is it helping you or hurting you? Catch and replace. When you notice a negative thought, pause and replace it with a more empowering one. For example, I've always messed up. Try by learning and improving every time I do this. Number 2, anchor it. Reinforce the new thought by saying it out loud, writing it down, or pairing it with a physical action like standing tall or taking a deep breath. Your inner voice is the director of your invisible stage. And the more you script it with intention, the more confident you will be and prepared you will be when you step into the spotlight moments of your life. Remember, master the moments no one sees to lead the moments everyone remembers. Thank you for being here today and joining me on my Invisible Stage Daily. And if you have not yet subscribed or downloaded and followed me, do it so you will never miss an episode.